Welcome, future Mustangs, to Monroe Middle School. I'm the principal, Mr. Dillon, and today I'm going to talk to you about a few things that are going to make you successful and resilient achievers here at Monroe Middle School. So come along with me this way. At Monroe, we embody the 4 B's. Be safe, be respectful, be responsible, and most importantly, be your best. And if you do these things, you're going to be successful in life, inside and outside of the classroom, wherever you go. We are a light inside the community. We want to continue to connect with our community, and that's what makes us unique. We work collaboratively with our business partners, bringing unique opportunities for our students, such as STEM and other things such as AIM Institute and other college programs that gives our kids a leg up as they go on to the next level in high school. Another unique thing that makes our school special is our unique business opportunity class, such as business entrepreneurship in our JAG Nebraska program, where we get to work collaboratively with all sorts of business operations and community, where we bring the community inside to our students. Our door is open here at Monroe, and we hope to see you join us in the fall of 2021. Go Mustangs!